Hello guys, welcome to the channel Codewood, and in this video we are going to discuss about CAP theorem. CAP theorem, which is introduced by Eric Brewer. Basically, it's a fundamental concept of distributed systems that describes the trade-off between the three properties. This theorem basically says a distributed system can guarantee only two out of the three properties. Now, what are those three properties? Let's understand them each one by one. The first one we have a C, which is a consistency. Consistency means all the nodes, or you can say all the servers, should always keep the latest data. Don't understand? Let's understand this one. Let's say you are doing one transaction and you have a multiple gateway providers like, for example, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay, and etc. etc. Now you are using one of the application to do your transaction, to have your transaction. Let's say Google Pay, and after doing so, your all the other payments gateway providers or other payment providers should be updated quickly, as I would say all the other applications should show or uh, like it should be reflect the same data, reflect the same data at the same time. Now, the second one we have availability. Availability means every request, whichever is coming from the client side, should receive the data at any cost, even after the server failures. Or in short, we can say none of the requests cannot be rejected. For example, if you have a multiple servers, let me share my screen. This one. Let's say you have a multiple. You can see my screen. Let's say you have a multiple servers with you, and some of the server for reason some, let's say, get failed. Let's say this server is get failed for some reason, so it doesn't matter in this case as well. Your other server should serve the data smoothly to the client without any delay. So that's the availability. Sorry. The next one we have a partition tolerance. Partition tolerance means even though your servers are unable to make communication between it, let's say for these two servers are unable to make a connection in between them or make a communication in between them, but still in that case your system should still operate, your application should still operate. It should not be break, it should be working from the other servers, it should be working, right? Now, when the network partition happens, the system must choose in these are the two options. That's what CAP theorems justify. It says the first one we have CP. The CP means consistency and partition tolerance. The first option we have a CP, consistency and partition tolerance. Now you can clearly understand with the help of this one, or you can understand with the word as well. CP. Here we are missing the term A, which is availability. It means the system can sacrifice availability. It means if the servers cannot be able to synchronize, some requests can be rejected to keep the data correct. You can might see this one in the banking systems. Sometimes your requests get rejected for some for some unknown reason. That's what it's happening in the behind the picture, the wall. The second option we have AP. It's availability and partition tolerance. Now you can again see. Here we are missing the C, which is a consistency. It means here the system can sacrifice the strict consistency. In this case, if we are getting a servers online all the time and the servers are able to make communication as well in between them, then in that case, user might see the temporarily stale data. Now, the very good example for this one we have social media likes and comments. You might see likes or comments you see on social media application. It is not always correct. It takes some time to get update. It's sometimes it takes like days or something. Sometimes it takes hours. So it depends like how much time it is getting updated. So it's up to you what you can sacrifice or what option you can choose to make your application. Either you can go with the CP, consistency partition tolerance, you can sacrifice the availability over there, or maybe you can choose AP, availability and partition tolerance. You can sacrifice the consistency over there. So yeah, it's up to you. That's it from this video. Thank you.